welcome to another Christmas episode here in Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay.
Merry Christmas!
Taas ang kamay ng mga kaagapay na may mga anak na Gen Z at Alpha.
Kami!
Para sa inyo ang episode na ito. Alam niyo po, Christmas traditions are evolving with the Gen Z and Alpha generation dahil nga sila ay experience-oriented at digitally inclined. Kaya
Yes.
naman, they have their own way of celebrating this season. And for parents, understanding this unique shift provides us with a unique opportunity para makakonect tayo sa ating mga anak. So we can create a holiday that is meaningful for the whole family. Kaya naman this morning, we will give you some tips on how we can connect with the Alpha and the Gen Z.
Yes, honey, para sa may mga anak na sobrang techy at umiikot ang mga mundo sa mga gadgets, makinig po kayong lahat. Let us use this opportunity, itong holiday season, to reach out and reconnect with our children, most specifically dun sa Gen Z at sa Gen Alpha. Unang-una na po dyan, digital Christmas culture. For Gen Z and Gen Alpha, Christmas celebration often involve digital experiences. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, talagang ang gagaling ng generation na ito when it comes to using the social media. From video or from virtual greetings to social media shout-outs, dapat lahat digital, honey, no? Parents can join by sharing their own holiday moments online on participating virtual family activities para dun sa may mga kamag-anak abroad, sa mga kamag-anak na wala sa Pilipinas. Nako, i-involve po ninyo ang mga bata at sumali tayo sa pag-greet sa ating mga pamilya outside the
So
Philippines.
meaning to say mga kaagapay, kapag yung mga anak ninyo gumagawa ng mga video edits,
Get
ng mga
involved.
reels, ng mga TikToks, maki-join na at huwag mahiya. Kami nga talaga una nahiya kami maki-TikTok.
Tama.
But then we get to enjoy to do these things together.
Masaya
that's
naman
number
pala.
one, digital Christmas culture. Number two, experience over material gifts. Alam niyo po, yung generation ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, they value experiences more than they value yung mga physical gifts. So, kailangan mas pine-prefer nila yung mga outings, mga travel, o yung mga volunteer activities kesa sa regalo. So, ang gawin natin, we have to adapt. Kung dati, pinag-dedebo mo sila, pinagpa-party mo sila, o bibigyan mo sila ng magandang Christmas gift, mga kaagapay, ipunin nyo na lang po ito and ask them, anak, what do you want to do with the money? Gusto mo bang pang travel? Gusto mo ba to pang shopping? O anong gusto mong gawin dito, 'di ba? So that way, mas makaka-adapt po tayo sa kultura ng mga Gen Zs ngayon. Parents can connect by planning memorable experiences together, focusing on quality time rather than lavish Christmas presents.
That is one thing I love about this generation, honey, no? Talagang they're thinking aloud. At saka, honey, tayo on a personal experience, hindi ba? Instead of throwing a big party, they opted to travel abroad.
Yes.
At ikatlo, emphasis on meaning and purpose. This is one good thing, and I'm taking my hats off sa generation na ito. Talagang they wanted to have a meaningful and purpose sa buhay. Itong Gen Z and Gen Alpha na to are drawn to purpose-driven celebrations and meaningful acts. Totoo naman, honey, hindi ba? And tayo mga magulang can encourage this by incorporating giving back, such as supporting to charities or organizing community events and making Christmas more meaningful and more impactful aligned with these values. Totoo, honey, alamin natin kung ano yung mga charity, yung mga foundations around the areas, at i-involve natin yung ating mga anak to get involved and sharing the blessings to these such organizations.
Alam niyo, kami po ni Bo, meron kaming tradition na ginagawa involving our kids every Christmas, and we call it the Christmas box. So before Christmas po, binibigyan namin sila kani-kanilang mga kahon, and we ask them to go look for something na kailangan pa naman nilang pwede pang gamitin, maayos pa, na pwede nilang ibigay na sa mga less fortunate. So they go to their cabinets, they go to their things and stuffs, at eto po, sa ganitong paraan na Christmas box tradition, tinutulungan mo yung mga anak mo to become generous, to become thoughtful, na maging givers. So yan po yung isang maganda. Practice this Christmas gift box tradition. Okay, we can bridge generation gap while embracing the modern take on this season. Let us blend our Christmas traditions with new and shared experiences to make this season enjoyable para sa buong pamilya.
Be a blessing in this holiday season. Lagi po nating tandaan ng mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!